Hello, everybody. In this lesson, I am going to talk about how to ask and how to say your name in English and other languages as French, German, Spanish, and Arabic. Firstly, when we want to ask someone's name in English, we say, "What is your name?" What is your name? In French, comment tu t'appelles? The verb is s'appeler. The verb is s'appeler. In Spanish, ¿cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas? The verb is llamarse. The verb is llamarse. In German, we say wie heißt du? Wie heißt du? The verb is heißen. In Arabic, ما هو اسمك? ما هو اسمك? And when we want to say my name or our name in English, we use my name is Tom. My name is Tom. In French, je m'appelle Tom. Je m'appelle Tom. In Spanish, me llamo Tom. Me llamo Tom. In German, ich heiße Tom. Ich heiße Tom. In Arabic, اسمي هو Tom. اسمي هو Tom. At the end, there are a lot of expressions for asking and seeing your name or our name in any language, and we have to make a difference between formal and informal situation. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please write them in the comments. Goodbye for the next video. Thanks.